My name is Vincent. I'm going to do a demo of the generative AI that was developed by our finance data and analytics CoE team. So this use case was developed by Robert. So the initiative of this use case is that there are many reports that we generate on a regular basis, and we asked the machine to generate a report uh, similar to this one. I'm going to choose. There's some years I can choose. So I'm going to choose this year, the current year, 2023. So you can see that the machine will machine generate some tables, and there are some reports. So actually, there were two steps happened uh, under the scene. In the first step, the machine generated four tables: one, two, three, four tables. These four tables were generated by normal programming language. So, and then the next step is the generative AI capacity. So, the generative AI read through the four tables and it generated the comments and the report like that. Based on these information, the machine generated report. It says gross profit is $384 million, which is this one. Total revenue is 977 million, which is this one. And there's a growth. The main driver of total revenue was infrastructure, which is correct, which is this table, by $99 million, and so on. So this use case was developed by Vaishnavi. Generate insights for internet and the private network, virtual network services, and SD-WAN in May 2023. So the machine gives us a commentary like this. So what is that? So this is the machine gives us more information about the explanation of the gap between the forecast and the actual. So here specifically, we're asking to explain the gap for internet and private network, virtual network services, and SD-WAN. So the machine can correctly give us the information. So the machine at this stage is able to correctly pick up commentary, which is relevant to our question, internet and private network and so on, give us a correct, is the correct commentary. So, for example, to explain the gap between the forecast and the actual values for these items, it says base revenue forecast is a 9% underperformance. So that's why there's a gap. Canadian Imperial Banks of Commerce is a 4% underperformance, and so on. So let's take another look. For example, we can imagine a more specific question, a more specific instruction. First, filter data frame. We say portfolio equals. In the portfolio, we only care about ICC. Practice, we only care about collaboration. Concept portfolio equals to in June 2023, and then show us the top 5 favorites. We give us explanation like this. So base revenue forecast is 100% underperformance, and so on. So then the last question. So let's ask the same question. It's more flexible. We don't give the specific instruction, and so let's see it. The machine is able to fetch all the results because we don't limit for the top five comments. So now we get all the comments about ICC collaboration, SIG trunking, success access, operator services is 0.1% underperformance, and so on. So this is a very complete explanation of the gap. I am at the first tab here. The first use case is a natural language query. So we can ask machine using a natural language. So let me ask machine a question. I put my question here. This is the user interface chat box here on the left. So what are the top 5 customers in terms of highest total revenue? So I get an answer like this. And on the right hand side, there are some specific components of the answer. So this is the table, and it gives us more information of its calculation as the middle step. Summarized current year CS total actual revenue of each month. So yeah, it gives us the answer like this. And let's try another one. What are the total revenue, cost, and the margin for year to date? So it gives us the answer like this. The total revenue is $978 million, total cost, and the total margin. And it shows us the code here, how to do the calculation. So summarized monthly total actual revenue for current year and the last year, plot results in the chart. So here is the chart. So this use case was developed by Doria.